Alright guys, today I'm doing an Instant Pot recipe. So I have some brown rice, wild rice with portobello mushrooms, as you can see there. And then I got some carrots. These are organic carrots. And then we got some chicken thighs. I'm going to put it all into the Instant Pot, cook it up. I got an onion here as well. So I'm going to flavor it, salt it, all that stuff, season it. So I'm going to get that ready. I'll be back and I'll do a quick taste test and all that other stuff. Be right back. Alright, so check it out. The chicken's in there. The carrots, the rice is in there. I'm going to add some Himalayan salt. As you can see here, this is Himalayan pink sea salt. So I'm going to put that in there and cook it up. I'll be back, guys. Stay tuned. I'm going to hit the poultry bun on the Instant Pot. Alright, so it's all done here. I'm gonna use the saute function to get rid of the water here, but I added a little bit too much water, but as you can see, it is all done though. So let's do a quick taste test. Right there. It's actually quite good. The Himalayan salt really gives it a lot of flavor. I didn't actually have to add that much to give it that flavor. So definitely check it out, guys. You get a nice aroma from that. The chicken and the carrots and onions go well. So if you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel. Like I said, I'm going to boil off the water and then eat it. So stay tuned for more videos.